miss him?
I don't like pears, Mommy. I don't like pears, Mama.
Who is
I don't
that?
like pears, Mama.
Is that Dada?
Hey, Mama, I don't like
Baby.
pears, Mommy.
Honey, you don't have to have pears for lunch. It's okay. Who is that?
I want toast. Ah!
You miss him. You love him.
Ah!
Say hi. Can you say Dada?
Toast, Mommy.
It's a great idea. Can you say hi to Daddy?
Hi.
Tell him you miss him, you love him. Yeah.
Ah!
Princess Mia down there.
Ah!
Their scepter.
Ah!